morning, children. Today we are going to continue active passive, which was left over. I had completed with present tense sentences, past tense sentences and future tense sentences. Today I have just placed some sentences on the blackboard with the rule, which you can pause the video and note it down, and I'll be giving you the exercise to follow, and it will be very easy for you to do it. So we are going to continue with the present tense. Present continuous tense. Then we are going to do past continuous tense. Then present perfect tense sentences, how to change into passive voice, and past perfect tense, how to change into passive voice. I have given the rule. I'll be taking one sentences, and accordingly I'll be giving you sentences to do for homework. If you have any doubt, you can put down in the comment box. So for present continuous tense, the rule is you have to put down the object first, then is, am, are, whatever is your verb, and with the being plus third form of verb plus by, which I told you in the previous sentences also is the difference, and then the subject. Suppose the example is given, he is playing cricket. So your verb is and your object is cricket. So what will the answer be? Object has to come forward. So you go according to the rule and your answer will be absolutely right. So if I put the object first, it will be cricket is being, third form of word played by whom? Him. See, very easy. You can get the answer for each example very easily. Now we move down to past continuous. Past continuous tense rule, again you will keep on reading, it will be very easy. It is object, was, were, being plus third form of verb. Now supposing the example is, I was writing a letter. So was is your verb, letter is your object. I am going to rub the answer so that I may have space to solve one example with you. So letter, a letter was being, third form of verb, written, writing, written by, I becomes me. See, if you follow this rule, keep in your mind, the answer is absolutely correct. Now we go to the third form, that is your present perfect sentences. Okay. Now what is the rule? Object, has, have. When you have referred to my tenses properly, then you will follow the rule very easily. So been, not being, been plus third form of verb by and subject. Now example is, I have painted this wall. Now wall is my object, have is my verb, right? So this wall, has, because wall is single, this wall has been, third form of word, painted. Here the verb doesn't change, painted by me. Here you have to use has and have according to your verb. I give one more sentence here where you will understand the difference. If I write, we have helped him. Let me put it plural, help them. So them is plural, so them will become they have been. They have been helped by us. Helped by us. Isn't it easy? Yes. Now we move on to the last type, that is past perfect tense. The rule is object and your verb had with been and present perfect tense and past perfect. They are very easy. There is not much change in it. So if I give you Seema had taken the books. Seema had taken the books. So the books had been taken by Seema. You just have to remember the rule for each tense, which will make your answer very easy, right? Now after following this rule, I'll give you five sentences so that you can do at home, and in spite of these sentences we have got few more which I'm going to discuss it now. So first part, present perfect tense. I'm going to give you the exercise. Please note it down and solve it yourself so that it will be easy for you to follow. Okay? I'm going to put a paper so that you can note it down. Pause your video and note down the sentences. Yes. I'm reading it for you. First one. They have opened a new shop. So what it is? A new shop have been opened by them. According to the rule you are going to follow. This is about present perfect tense. I continued with the present perfect. Let me give you present continuous first. I'm sorry. I'm going to give you about present continuous tense. Note down the sentences. Pause the video. He is playing cricket. Cricket is being played by him. He is taking tea. Tea is being taken by him. So please note down the sentence and according to the rule, please solve them and let me know if you have any problem in the comment box. This is about present continuous tense. Now we move down to past continuous tense. Note down the sentences and solve it according to the example. I'll do one for you and then we'll go further. The first sentence is, I was writing a letter, which is already given here. A letter was being written by me. Correct? Now second one, he was cooking food. So what is the answer? Food was being cooked by him. I hope you can understand. Please pause the video, note the sentences and do it for homework. Now my third part is present perfect, which I have already given it to you just now. You have already noted down. Do it according to the rule. Then we move on to past perfect tense. As we have done, Seema had taken the books. The books had been taken by Seema. The books had been taken by Seema. I am going to give you sentences. You are just going to note it down. Note down the sentences and please do it according to the rules given on the blackboard. Right. After completing past perfect tense, there are few more sentences which we have to refer, and they are some common sentences which I am going to write down one by one, and you have to note it down. Some sentences like open the box. Now supposing your mummy is telling you open the box, that means she is commanding you. So these are sentences called command sentences. So how are you going to do them? It will be let the box be open. Let the box be open. Let the box be opened. Third form of verb. If I say switch on the fan, so let the fan be switched off. Close the door at once. Sometimes your teacher says close the door at once, fast. So it is let the door be closed at once. Right? Now second type of sentence is request. You will come to know how you request people. If I say take this chair please. Now please means you are requesting. So the passive form will be you are requested. Please, you are requesting. So in case of please, you will be writing you are requested to please take the chair. You are requested to take this chair. We cannot write please again because in place of please we have already added requested. You are requested to take this chair. Very few examples of command and request. It's very simple. Kindly read this letter. You are requesting, na? So you are requested to kindly read the. You are requested to read this letter because instead of kindly, you have used the word requested. Please give me your pen. You have already used please. So you are requested to give me a pen. Very good. Now we come down to the third type of sentences. Instead of all the tenses, these are few more examples which can be done in active passive voice. So the last type is WH family. You know when WH family, question form. If I write down how will he solve the sum? They are asking कैसे करेगा वो ये sum? It's a question. So how will remain the same because there is no other word to be used. So it will be how will the sum आगे आ जाएगा. How will the sum be solved? The question has to remain as it is. The how will the sum be solved? It can be done by him. Isn't it easy? So I hope you have understood the tenses. If you refer my tenses topic very easily, present, past and future in detail, then you will understand the active passive voice, the rules which I have given. Just place the rule in front of you and try to change the sentences today what I have given. So do the homework, and if you have any doubt, please put in the comment box so that I can make one more video and solve all the homework or all the sentences given to you. I have worked a lot on this topic, and I hope this topic is very easy for you. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.